What can you? What is Nextbase Dash Cam? Because I walked back and it says up here that anticipate, prevent, and defend. What does that mean? What are you anticipating? What are you preventing or defending from? How does it help do those three things?
Thanks. It's a great question. So, from a Nextbase perspective, we have a range of dash cams from our standard Series 2 dash cams, which you can see behind us over here. These are our non-connected dash cams. And then we have our smart connected dash cam, which is really around the anticipate, prevent and defend, which is our IQ one, which we can showcase in the vehicle just to the side. So it's all really about how we can create a connected car experience and add on top additional features and layers over and above what is a standard dash cam capability.
Gotcha. Now, I mean, having a dash cam, it's becoming a thing of today. Like almost every car now, you can buy dash cam from so many off-brand manufacturers. How does it raise your vehicle's IQ?
That's a great question. So within the camera itself, I don't know if we want to.
Yeah, we can walk around. Yeah.
I don't know which way is probably the other side would be the best
I
product.
see one here. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can go around the other side as well. So IQ as a product is a 3-channel system. So it's got a forward-facing camera, a cabin-facing camera, and as an accessory, you can get a rear-facing camera, which you can just see.
Does this vehicle have one on here?
It does.
Okay.
Just in this corner.
Okay, yeah. It has that. Now, does that red light always?
So that is actually doing motion detection right now. So if you look on the screen of the camera
Okay.
itself, you can see a little person.
Yeah.
So what this is actually doing is the camera itself is smart, so it's always powered. So we take a feed off of the OBD from a power perspective only. We don't take any other data from the vehicle at all.
Yeah, sure.
Once it's powered, it then in a parked state, like this vehicle is at the moment, it will go into a sleep mode. And that's to conserve your battery on the vehicle. But during that mode, it keeps the radar alive front and rear.
Okay.
So if it detects any threats coming towards the vehicle, it wakes up. Now that could be a person, or it could be another vehicle in a parking lot or something like that. So it can start to record. But what happens is that we have a companion app.
Okay.
So on your cell phone,
Yes.
you'll have a IQ app,
Okay.
and you'll get alerts to that. So you'll get a motion notification where you can then go, I need to go and check.
Yeah, it's like my doorbell.
vehicle.
Like saying someone is in
Correct.
in front, making a delivery, or there's a dog running by or something like that. It has the motion.
That's correct.
Okay, perfect. Now, So it has the sleep mode that wakes up automatically when something comes up. But what other features does this smart connected one, your top of the line? What other features does they have that are like, wow?
Yeah, so that is a great question as well. So within the product itself, so when it's in a sleep state, as we've covered, it's protecting your vehicle from threats around it.
Yes.
When it's in a driving state, it has other things. So it has impact detection. So if, for
Okay.
example, you were involved in an incident where you were left incapacitated or you couldn't make anything, within IQ itself, we have a service called ESOS, which is our emergency SOS service. This will notify the emergency
Authorities.
services.
Yeah.
Authorities. It will send we don't store it, it's stored within the app, but it will send your medical data, blood groups, anything
wow.
that you've added in the app
Yeah.
that you want the emergency service to know about.
Yeah.
It will send that as well. So as they come to the scene, they'll
They
obviously
come
know about
prepared,
who you
ready
are.
to know exactly what's happening.
Absolutely correct.
That's awesome.
So that's our ESOS service.
Yes.
We also have witness mode.
Witness mode. Okay, what does that do?
So witness mode is all about having that second pair of eyes. So, I'm sure we've all experienced a time where you haven't felt comfortable in your vehicle because either someone's tailgating you or road rage, or you're parked in something and someone's coming towards you.
Yeah, crowd and stuff like that.
Exactly.
Like getting out of the club late in the morning. No, I'm just joking.
Not into your car at that point, into an Uber. Hopefully.
Yeah, yes. Okay, so what does the witness mode do?
So what you can do is the camera is voice activated. So there's a number of commands that you can make. So you don't have to push any buttons. You can keep your hands on the steering wheel. You
Nice.
can say, hey, dash cam, start witness mode. At that point, the camera will start recording. It sends a notification to your emergency contact. So you've pre-designated 1 or 2 emergency contacts within the
Yes.
app, and it will tell them that you've started witness mode. They can then click on a link and see what you can see. Not like a cell phone call. So it's not a asynchronous call in terms of you can have that dialogue.
Gotcha. They're just
In that situation, your wife would say start witness mode. You would receive a message on your cell.
Yeah.
That would have a link. You would then be able to see her, but you could call her.
Call her just knowing
just
what the situation is.
Exactly. You could be watching it and talking to her on the cell phone.
Gotcha. But in any other situation where, it could be something, maybe there's a protest or something happening and someone could be coming toward your car and you don't know their intention and stuff like that.
Yes.
So that will help kind of like not keep tab, but like help you with, and that's the part of the defending.
Defending.
Yeah,
yes,
this is where defending comes in.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
And the other thing we do is we tag the file in the camera.
So yes.
And we put it into a safe place. So then in normal recording, it wouldn't get overwritten because it would be a witness mode
That's
file.
what I was going to ask too, because during that mode, when your emergency contact clicked on and can see what's happening, where does it record that file as well? Because it's good to have an extra pair of eyes, but that person can forget and the actual details of what happened, when it happened, the order of which the situation happened, and having that recording will definitely clarify a lot of things.
Yes, that's great. So the link stays live. So the part of the witness mode piece is that it streams it to the cloud.
Yeah.
So it's off the camera and it's in the cloud as well.
Okay.
So if you need to go back again, you can just use the same link you had before.
And
you can review the
previous how long does it automatically keep that from before it overrides it or deletes it?
So we have a couple of different options in terms of in our subscription model, either 30 days or 180 days.
Okay. I mean, that's a decent amount
long
of
enough
time.
that you can.
Yeah.
You know you're gonna need it.
If it was nothing serious, I don't think it's gonna become serious 30 days later. So, what other mode does it have? So it's sleep mode and witness mode.
Yeah. So witness mode. So and there's another feature called Guardian mode.
Guardian.
So Guardian mode is all about you protecting your family.
Okay.
So the way of describing it would be, that you might lend your vehicle. So actually, if we keep the analogy of you and your wife, for example.
Yeah.
Actually, let's not, because you'll get in trouble for keeping tabs on her. Let's go to a different scenario.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Say it was you had a child or something like that you were lending the vehicle to, and you wanted to make sure that they're driving responsibly and safely.
Yeah. Let's say you have a teenager.
A teenager.
Yeah.
You there's two things you can do. One is you'll be able to set up a geofence. So you'll be able to say within this area.
No, not to. Yeah.
Yeah, you're safe. If you start going beyond there, you'll get an alert.
Yeah.
You can then connect to the camera through live view, which you can do at any point anyway.
Yeah.
And you can see what's going on.
Okay.
The other one is you can set speed limits. So not limiting the car,
Yes.
but limits in terms of notifying you.
Correct.
So if they start to go over 55 or something like that,
you'll know.
You'll get a message, and you can then go.
Yeah.
Hey, I mean, what are you doing?
Coaching opportunities. Yeah.
Not Big Brother.
Yeah, got it.
Like that. I'll use it.
Yeah, got it. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Amazing. And all of these are available now for purchase for any vehicles. There are those the dash cam. They are on the market, available to purchase right now.
Yes. So the camera itself comes in 3 models. So 1K, 2K, and a 4K model. Depending on the image quality.
Gotcha.
They are available for purchase. Once you've purchased the product, there are a couple of different subscription models, because the camera itself has got a SIM inside it. So as part of that subscription, all of the data you're going to need is included in there, so you don't have to go out and source another cell package or anything like that.
Gotcha.
It's all included in the product itself.
Amazing.